Finger foods and party snacks are something that we all love and enjoy, and it's definitely very tempting, and we're always trying to look for new recipes. Today I'm going to show you guys a very nice recipe which is paneer cheese balls. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the paneer cheese balls, I've taken 200 grams of paneer and grated fine. To this I'm going to add 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 large green chilli de-seeded and finely chopped, a few coriander leaves chopped, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. If you don't have Kashmiri chili powder, you can use regular chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix everything together. Knead it together till it's all well combined. So you can see it's coming together beautifully, almost like a dough ball. Take a little bit of the paneer mixture, flatten it slightly. I've cut a piece of processed cheese into cubes. Place 1 small cube in the center. Seal the cheese. Make sure it's sealed on all sides. You can see the paneer cheese ball is nice and smooth. Keep it aside. Add the breadcrumbs to a plate. To make the cornflour slurry, I've taken 3 teaspoons of cornflour. Add a little water, mix it well. Now the cornflour slurry is ready. Now take the prepared paneer cheese ball, dip it in the cornflour slurry. Roll it onto the breadcrumbs. Make sure the paneer cheese ball is coated well. I'm going to freeze it for about 10 minutes so everything is intact and firm before deep frying. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Maintain the temperature at low throughout. Gently drop the paneer cheese balls into the hot oil. Deep fry the paneer cheese balls till they are a nice golden brown color. I'm maintaining a low flame throughout the frying process. So if you deep fry them in low flame, it will cook through and you'll get an even rich brown color. You can see the paneer cheese balls have come to a nice rich golden brown color. Remove them from the oil and keep it aside. The paneer cheese balls are best served hot, so make sure you serve them immediately after deep frying. So there you go, here are these delicious paneer cheese balls with this nice soft and gooey cheese in the middle. Kids will absolutely love this, so do try this recipe and enjoy with some nice ketchup or mayo by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.